Dor Kapatisi TV. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Hadin baka sarkar ka yoi baki Torres ki bawansha ka ni gajala ki Kwah ban shimwai da ka kali ni ka Thuk ka ba kinya hi dalade ya ka ba ki ju shimwai ru na ki rio shimen ka sarkar ka laong ba baro shikata kampat don ki an ki kendon ban pej ya ka ni henry minta ka kenhun menteri jong sarkar kala shim ya karai bakan penyai bej no ya ka ni da ki kendon berkata ka long baki ba Kwah ban ai kali ni ai Thuk kin habban register berkatana transport kenang makin la ban ai bat don laki jong ki kendon na ka benta ki ba ai Thuk bat na ka benta ki ba ai kali
policy and a legal framework for motorcycles and vehicles to be rented out to tourists and to people. As you're aware that many tourists come to our state and they rent vehicles from the private individuals. And till date, there has not been a mechanism to actually regulate for the overall, regulation of the sector as well as overall safety of the tourist. So we have come out with a policy on this matter, and we are now going to regulate it. And people who are interested in renting out the bikes and vehicles to the tourist will have to now register with the transport department to be able to rent their vehicles to tourists in the future. So those were the first two. One was for vehicles and one was for motorcycles.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti tho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti tho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongphi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra